Ooh, tis it is me again. I am here to remove a tent. I just want you to see the trek that I have to do in grass. Ugh. To take this shit down. Pardon the language. But got my little trolley. This is yeah, all the grass I gotta walk through. Not only that, but do you see those stairs? Do you see those stairs? Yeah. Yeah, and then there's more grass to walk through. So fun times. So I had to abandon the cart because the grass is too high. It was making it unbearable. Sweating. I shouldn't be, but I'm walking to where I abandoned the cart. I just made my first of what will now be 3, maybe 4 trips to the car. But you can see how far your girl's going. And that I'm going upstairs. So I wanted to drag the cart to the stairs and then unload and then refill the cart to the stairs and then pull to the car. That was the plan. Didn't work out that way. But it's a wide way up. Now the stairs. And now, walking to where I abandoned said cart right before the stairs. But your girl's hot.